Welcome to usBIM.dossier, a comprehensive cloud-based document management system designed specifically for engineering and architecture projects. It provides an efficient way to archive and organize all necessary project documentation. The platform ensures seamless organization and sharing of documentation from the preliminary phase to the construction phase and beyond, all while maintaining digital consistency and accessibility. With usBIM.dossier, professionals can manage project-related documents in a more streamlined and actionable way. The service is flexible and accessible across all devices, such as desktop PCs, notebooks, and tablets, offering direct access to project documentation using a simple browser. The integrated viewer enables users to view documents in real time, ensuring you always have the information you need at your fingertips. Collaboration is at the heart of usBIM.dossier. In fact, you can easily share work with other professionals, allowing teams to upload, approve, and update project documentation seamlessly on the platform. When creating a new dossier, you can choose from 5 template types. New dossier creates an entirely blank document. Work documentation for construction-related documents. Work folder contains all essential risk prevention and protection information for workers. Transmittals manages documentary exchanges between various stakeholders with tracking capabilities. Maintenance plan dossier manages the general maintenance plan for a project as per regulatory requirements. Creating a new dossier involves filling out mandatory fields, such as the project identification code, a project title, and a brief description. Optional fields, such as hashtags and locations, can be used as search keys for easy access to files. Additionally, usDossier offers the capability to geolocate files on a GIS map for quick identification based on project location. You can either start with a new dossier or duplicate an existing one, preserving its structure. Dossiers can be organized into multiple sections, each dedicated to a specific type of information. These sections can include a variety of rows for data input. usBIM.dossier also supports the creation of sub-dossiers, allowing for more granular organization within the main dossier. A key feature is the ability to manage large files, supporting nearly all file formats for both uploads and viewing. Within usBIM.dossier, you can also handle complex 3D models, Revit files, DWG CAD files, and even audio or video files, all easily accessible from any internet-enabled device. The digital document folder feature improves collaboration with dossiers shared either publicly or with specific collaborators. Different permission levels can be assigned based on the user's role, offering options for viewing, downloading, uploading, or even modifying documents. For added security, you can generate a shareable link that can be PIN-protected and set with an expiration date to prevent unauthorized access. As we explore the solution, we'll walk through the workflow, from creating dossiers and filling out the required fields, to sharing files and managing permissions with other collaborators. Once logged into usBIM.dossier with your credentials, you'll find the dossiers you've created under the My Dossiers section, complete with project names, identification codes, and associated tags. The search functionality allows you to filter dossiers using keywords or tags, and the GIS map aids in locating projects by their geographic position. In the Shared with Me section, you can access dossiers that have been shared with you. Creating a new dossier involves selecting one of the available templates, filling out the mandatory fields, and adding optional tags or geographic information. The solution supports multiple row types, including those for document uploads, which accept all major file formats, from 2D documents to 3D models. These can be shared with collaborators using advanced visibility, security, and permission settings. After assigning permissions, usBIM.dossier generates a PDF with a clickable link and QR code for easy file access, all viewable or editable directly online.